Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne. This is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Boxycharm. I haven't even opened this up yet. Just to let you know, Boxycharm is an American subscription. Boxy base is $25 a month plus shipping, $5 to ship to Canada. With Boxycharm, you can get Boxy base, which is Boxycharm, Boxy Premuim, and BoxyLuxe. More information on those. So Boxy Premuim comes out next month. It is full collaboration with Rihanna and Fenty Makeup. It includes the palette that I've been trying to get, a gloss, I think a highlighter, and something else. I'm not. The lip gloss. You have to be a Boxy subscriber before the 1st to get on to the wait list for the Boxy Premuim. If you are not a Boxy subscriber, you can use my link below. I get 500 charms. There is a couple codes out. I'll try and update this listing with those codes. With that being said, I do pay for all of my boxes, so when you use my link, I'm able to get a few other things and, of course, promptly either use them or put them in a giveaway. This video will also have a giveaway, so you will have to watch this to see the giveaway. So anyway, this is actually my second subscription. I have 2 subscriptions. It's really weird. I got confirmation that I was getting the Becca foundation. I'm a little out of it. If you guys haven't watched my other videos, you'll see that I was proposed to. I'm going to put this in a few videos now. So anyway, on Friday, so one of the giveaways will be to celebrate that, and the other one is to celebrate my birthday. But anyway, alright, back to Boxycharm. So, Boxycharm, I signed up with the 2-face palette for my second account. I am not getting that palette. As far as I know, they gave me 500 charms, which is a big slap in the face. Boxy pop-up is open right now, so if you are on the wait list for Luxe or Premium, you will be able to shop the pop-up. So anyway, so my second account, I asked for the Becca foundation. I was planning on canceling it, but I wanted to try the Becca foundation. But I went into the add-on store and purchased a second foundation. It shipped out 2 weeks before my box did, and they both arrived today. Yes. My box that I have been with Boxy for over a year, I got the email for it saying it shipped. I asked for the iconic palette. I did not get confirmation that I was getting it, so we will wait and see whenever it shows up. It was shipped out the same day. I got the email for the tracking. I did not get email for tracking for this one. I had to go search it up myself, and this one came first. Boxy, what the? I also ordered 2 items, paid $5 to ship both items. They ship both items separately. Why would you do that? Why would you not hold on to them both and ship them together? Doesn't make any sense. I don't get it. But hey, Boxy, you do you. So let's open this box, see what variation I get. I am reading that people are not getting their cards to tell them what variation it is. So, and since they've changed the details, I don't even know what box I'm getting. Wish me luck. Oh gosh, I'm scared. I'm absolutely terrified. Okay. I'm actually pretty happy with this box. Okay. So I actually got this Becca in Shell. And that looks a lot whiter than me, so I may have to do a giveaway for that. I'm not sure. Looks really, 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 really light. Okay, so I know I'm pale, but I'm pretty sure that that's one of the colors that they suggested. Let's see here. So this is Shell, this is Vanilla. So anyway, one is really light, one isn't. So I might even have to mix and match. Actually, I think the Shell might work. No, the Vanilla might work better for me. So anyway, these are valued quite a bit, and the add-ons were $12. So I'm going to give one of them a try, if not both of them a try, see which one suits my skin. There is no card, there is nothing, so I don't even know how much it is. So I got Evo Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. I am actually really happy about this. Okay, Okay, it says gently massage a single Evo skin refreshing cleanse hemp wipe over faces, circular motion, taking care around the eyes. No need to rinse. For maximum results, follow with Evo skin rejuvenating mask and revitalizing serum twice a week. Okay, so from what I understand, so this is not to take off makeup, but I'll probably give these a try tonight. I'm not gonna lie, I love them. So I heard these are absolutely amazing and people love them. So these are the Fab Radiance Pads, help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So right now I'm using the detox ones from FabFitFun that I got. And I really, really like them. I like them because they're so simple for me to do before I go to bed, when I get up to go to work. On the weekends I do a little bit more, but so yeah, definitely a plus for me. So now I'm really nervous. I was really hoping for this box, so now I got it. I'm happy. Come on. So I have this Yate London Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. So one thing I do enjoy about Yate is the simpleness of their products. Let's see here. So I'm probably not going to open that up because I'm still using the Becca and a few other setting items, setting powders. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that for sure or not. So again, I don't know what variation number this is, and that's quite disappointing. So I got the brushes, which is fine. I'm really hoping that I get the sponges in the next one. Oh. Okay, so this is a brightening brush. Brightening blush. These actually feel really nice. These are from Alamar. Yeah, Alamar. Oh, those are really nice brushes. Oh. And I like how they have, what they say what they are at the back there. So this is a complexion brush, and this is a bronzer brush. So I don't actually use bronzer, but this is interesting. It's got, do you see that? So I bought brushes, and they were similar to this. And they're for, they're for your skin routine, so I use them when I do, when I apply my serums and stuff like that. It kind of saves my hands. Okay, so like, if you watched, I just probably uploaded Look Fantastic and my Tribe boxes, and I have to say I really, really like them. And this month, like, even though I didn't really want the second variation, I'm really glad I got it because I do like this. I'm hoping that I don't get the same thing, and I got that. So that's pretty good for, what, $30 American. It is really weird that they put two like pads, wipes in there, but whatever. I'm not going to complain too much. So anyway, I'm exhausted. Okay, so we're going to do 2 giveaways. One is this lovely pink mailer, which I did not take off my address on. So anyway, I'm not going to show you what's in this mailer. Why? Because I want it to be a surprise, because, you know, people deserve surprises. So I'm going to tell you there's lashes in here. I think there's a palette in here. There's not like a facial palette. I'll leave it at that. Okay. So there's an eyeshadow, not a palette, a lip product, and an eye product. Okay. These are products that I've gotten in Boxy, Morphe, what? I think that's it. Yeah, I think Boxy and Morphe items. So this is going to be the engagement present because, you know, it's a little bit smaller. So anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to leave a comment below. And you're going to share, and you're going to like this video. I'm going to have to check to make sure. Tell me where you shared the video to. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Let me know. And then let me know. I obviously did not think it through. You know what? Just put where you shared it through. Leave a comment, and I will pick a random comment for this bag, and the other item I have. I'm gonna say, let's give it a month. We'll do it March 1st. March 1st. Okay, so that's a month. Well, that's not even a month. It's not a month. What day is today? Today's the 10th, so March 10th. March 10th, we're going to do the draw, or shortly after that, when I get my first box after the 10th, we'll do the draw. So what you're going to do is you're going to leave a comment where you shared this video too. We're going to try and get me up to 700 people, because I think I'm at 600. Am I at 600? I think so. I think 643 or something. So let's get me up to 700 people. So get liking and sharing, and let people know that I have this to give away. So this is only one of the prizes. So the other prize, like I said, I have it all ready to go. It's in my Sephora. It is bundled up. It has an eye palette. Did I put a brush in there? No, I don't think I put a brush in there. Oh my gosh, I just packed this tonight and I completely forgot what I put in there. I put in a cleanser, and not just a plain cleanser, a high-end cleanser, a palette, a spray, a setting spray, and a few other things. This is full. Like, I can't remember what I put in there. Anyway, you will not be disappointed with this box. I put in I think this the cleanser and a moisturizer as well, a setting spray, an eye palette, and I might have put in a lipstick, but I can't exactly remember what exactly I put in. But this is a high value box. I got most of the items through Boxycharm, and a few others that I might have bought for this box. So anyway, if you guys want to win this box, just leave a comment below. Let me know that you want one of my box or bag, whatever one you want. So I'll probably pick for this one first, and then this one. You guys will have about a week to get back to me, and I will ship the package to you completely free. This is open internationally. So yes, so go ahead, like and share, and let's say, like I said, we'll close it around March 10th, or the first time I get a box after the 10th, or on the 10th, and I will pick 2 names to win. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. With the Boxycharm, if you want this box, I would sign up right now using my referral link below, and let them know that you want this box. Otherwise, I believe that these boxes may sell out. I believe you get the choice between, sorry, the 3 main items will be the Becca, I believe it, what was it, my brain is totally fried right now, totally. It was Kate Somerville moisturizing product, I believe, and or the Iconic palette. So there's between the brushes and then the sponges, and there's a few other things. There's quite a few variations this month, so I'm really surprised that they didn't include a card. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to win one of these 2 fancy prizes. And also, don't forget to check out my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm giving away more there. I've added a few things to each of the prizes so that you guys can win more items. Thanks for watching.